In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll in arc raiders. Before we do anything intense, jump into a low-pressure environment like the practice range or a casual match. The goal here is to learn how the roll feels without the chaos of a full fight. Give yourself a minute to move around, get your bearings, and make sure your controls are responding the way you expect. Now, here's the core mechanic. To roll, simply press the Alt key. That's your dedicated evasive action. Tap it once, and your character will perform a quick roll in the direction you're moving. If your setup uses a different key, that's perfectly fine. Use whatever your current layout has assigned to roll. The important part is the timing and the direction you're holding when you press it. Momentum matters a lot. The faster you're moving, the farther and more dynamic the roll becomes. If you're standing still or just inching forward, you'll get a short, tight roll that keeps you close to your original position. As you pick up speed, that same roll stretches out, letting you cover more ground. When you're running at full speed, pressing Alt turns the move into a dive roll, which carries you forward in a longer arc and helps you slip past danger or close a small distance quickly. Try this in the practice area. Hold forward and press Alt. Then repeat while moving diagonally, then side to side. Notice how the roll follows your movement direction, not just your camera. If you want to roll left, hold left as you hit Alt. If you want a forward dive, build up speed first, then roll. Angle your character before you press the key so you end up exactly where you intend. As you practice, pay attention to rhythm. Tap Alt deliberately rather than mashing it, and get used to resuming control right as the animation ends. A clean roll, then immediate movement, keeps you evasive and unpredictable. Use cover and corners to your advantage. Roll into safety, not into open lanes. And remember, the dive roll from a run is great for slipping past enemy fire or repositioning quickly, but it can carry you farther than you expect. So keep an eye on your surroundings. That's all there is to it. Warm up in a safe space, press Alt to roll, and let your momentum scale the distance. Walk it, jog it, sprint it, and you'll feel the difference. With a few minutes of practice, rolling will become second nature. Now, hop in and start perfecting those evasive moves.